Now, this video is funny. First of all, Igbo people can mono. Bunde manje mono. Yoma yemelo nyobana no bazinkitata. Amara most of the things in the buy na chobe Okwuluora no. So kete izugo se ko me video we send mad na gin no Okwuluora apologize go. O me gin o drop go evidence or apology or okwetego no ya apologize to ndi Imo State. Nde umuaka. Video will be a very sarcastic video. To be in this is very sarcastic video. Before it's an JJ fabricated, so that I did not fabricate this. So this video is all about sarcasm. And also pay attention to the message involved. Ndu mwake mwa ekubra oku since na behana bagaragara. Ndu mmadụ na jebe sisi with a evidence. Your evidence is gonna go there and verify. But 1 or 2 people no mwaka ku follow us now when they record the lamba. But 1 or 2 people no there ku no make any conclude kema yes indeed ebulu wonka ka on ebulu ria. Ona sini ebulu ya why na onyo be ku be treat is still there. The person obuno de kan okulu kwa the person actually treat knows your name man yes no lie. Man they still forged ahead and again decided to help these people and they were lifted from that place to Ebido had treatment. So because I don't know what is the problem that is ongoing about. Does it mean and the buy and support a hojo too much these days? A hojo on the buy and support these days, Kali or the terrible or the very, very terrible. So because without not joining much conclusion, I jump in a video on 9 years ago with a number sinketa in nature kabaro subscribe and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section.
Okay. Only with this video. You better make a share button, sharing this video. There has been this issue of Nto. Nda anado mato je Okwuluora ndị Igbo. You got to go. And upon the broadcast of Okwuluora ndị Igbo, ndị ụmụaka nọ na South Africa we decide ya na ha that is na Okwuluora amaghị ebe ebuje na ụmụaka Holy Land na ụmụaka do even more holy than Jerusalem and Israel put together na ụmụaka wu ana ndị nsọ na ife awu Holy Land ebe ọsọ ndị mmụọ ozi ndị angels, Angel Michael, Angel Gabriel, Angel Uriah no ha ndị bi na ụmụaka. You got to go. Now they through Onyinwimo issued a statement to Okwuluora ndị Igbo to either show them a video nyana ndị ntomelu chilling as friends, as niggas, you know, that kind of video, chilling with my guys, having a glass of wine, a bottle of wine with my niggas, you know, that kind of thing. Or no go say her she's video picture nyana hasen. Or no go say her sleep how we confirm one on umaka. They also demanded, that is another part. Nda chukwu ya gozi go nda chukwu ya emeri forma ndị ife na agara nke ọma, demanded apology from Okwuluora for instead the name of the reputable, most honest, most responsible, most cleanest people in the Southeast, which is in Umuaka. For instead of their name, had demanded an apology from Okwuluora ndị Igbo. And after due consultation, I got to go discussing with 1 person or 2 persons, I think I have decided that it is right that Okwuluora ndị Igbo apologize to ndị ụmụaka, especially to those being in South Africa. So I decided that it is right that Okwuluora apologize to those people for dragging the name of their community or town to the mud, but on one condition. Na Okwuluora ndị Igbo ya apologize to ndị ụmụaka under one condition. Now they declare total mass return for all the indigenes of Umuaka living in South Africa. All of them are going to come back to Umuaka. They will all drive with their exotic cars. They will all drive with their machines. Then AG Convoy Aga will drive with their policemen to Chinesherem's compound. That apology is going to happen right inside Chinesherem's compound when they officially return for mass return. Okwabona Amaka, Bono wa Manso, Bono the angel, na angelic voices, Anago, sweet melodious song, Dio, 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 Dio. So egwu aka ya da no na ebata na ụmụaka dio 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 ife aka ya da no na ebata na ụmụaka niile. So that mass return, every indigene of ụmụaka being in South Africa will come back with their powerful machines, because even as an mmadụ wepụtara blank check. For mmadụ wepụta blank check, ogosi na money na water, ego odo. They will come back n'ike na ebube. As storm obe Chinesherem ebe ahụ ka Okwuluora ya nọ wee wolu mic gbam apology to ndị ụmụaka bi na South Africa. Now let me tell you people something. Mgbe egbulu the fish pie guy, not the mgbe egbulu the fish magnet, all of us who are from Anambra State and many other content creators from Southeast, we all came online, including me, both on video, on a live broadcast and video post. We were all talking about how Anambra State is no more safe. We did not point at any part of Anambra State. We are all saying Anambra State Adros is safe. Igbo Adros is safe. Southeast Adros is safe. That is what you will hear people saying. And we were not bothered, because what we need is security in our land. It's not mad potasiekwo na Anambra State Adros safe. Anambra State abamba saying na achufu say ndị na-abịa Anambra State. No, when they chọrọ ịbịa akwamozu achufu ha because na-ekwu na Anambra State do insecure. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? That even when you call out Governor Soludo and say, Governor Soludo, you have failed. Does it mean that in the areas where governor has done well? But when you look at the general assessment, you say that you are not doing well. Or obviously, when we're able to matter equal that is not doing well there. So we all condemned Obubu fish magnet. We all condemned Obubu, the House of Assembly member Nonisha. We all condemned Obubu, so many people in Anambra State. And we keep calling out our government and crying out to the people that Anambra is no more safe. Even VDM is currently in Onisha, in Anambra State right now, to lead a rally, a candle night, and the rally for the late fish magnet, to declare Anambra State unsafe for people, and to call on Governor Soludo to tighten off his seatbelt into restoring security in Anambra State. They did not mention any part of Anambra State. It was a general terms that Anambra State is not safe. But Ndomwaka, Nkeha, they decided to go and show us a part of Omwaka, just to show us that na beha amaka. So Okwuluora Ndigbo is going to apologize to you people, because Nabono one answer will for John Nabono. Now, but all of you in South Africa are going to come back to Umuaka, and you will all drive to Chineshere's compound where that fundraising was done. Eba akono yano we ba alive. Okwuluora Ndigbo, they will apologize here to all of you, or apologize here to all of you, or nah. That is the only way. Fondo Umuaka na na comment section ma bia parim. Opana na elu ọkụ na aha mmano. Ose na ahụ amake. Let us all join hands and call out the insecurity that is going on in Southeast. When we say Southeast, you don't need to specify. Now, Abia State, Ebonyi State, you don't need to specify. The fact is that any area do not Southeast to save. Apart from designated areas, they do more deadly than the other. So when we talk about insecurity in the Southeast, is some nandeneje ije nwanyi na ndị nwere akwamozu onwelu area ebi ya no na Southeast kita iwe na aka ivi yeme we na acho ke ikpokosi a man is wicked, a man like on the mad, because he consider chagodu nde ya abia na ebe aha ya abia to save. What of nde pull out from there imife yemefa oge nje nwanyi na Enugu. I've said it before, I picked few people. It's not that Namaya like mbata Enugu can the Enugu man ezu ga batago no juye or can go send the Enugu what I can do, but I picked few people and I not one sude quietly may find a me without any noise people go out from sude the other go. That is to show you that now insecurity do na Southeast very alarming, and they need the enemy and they specify in eba what happened to Okwuluora happened to Okwuluora in Umaka. You cannot change it. And as CJ water evidence POS or CJ whatever. From then I say it's okay, it's okay. How can it be okay? I ne pugidoku until doganya. If I ne kuna you to clear and if I ne. This is not the first one. So don't think we will just say it and we leave it. Then Fonde neku na uno matayas na J Park ke fa melu. Nezu go yase na ase. Amokwo na eto mmadụ awụrụ na GLE or mansion na Lekki. J Park nwere ike osi na ogoro mansion na Lekki ikekwo ka o wee wụrụ na na-ewu ya anya ọkụ apụta wee sie na igohe na asị ọntụ ndị mmadụ si asị na GLE Ebonyi Son post no fake life ka ọ wụ na ogohe amakwa na ịtọ mmadụ ntọ awụrụ na ezigbo ife nke na ome J Park na mmadụ ekwu na omeghe na ome J Park ma ọmata asị na mmadụ ekwu na omeghe. Mgbe Mathias melu that voice note, I'm in danger right now. Na-ebuje nwanne onwere onye doubt ya doubt. Did anybody doubt it? The only thing I gwara ya na amụ ndị ọzọ amụ na onwe ife dakwasara ha. But na he decided na ya amụ amụ. Mana ụdị ife ahụ mee ya ọzọ, I will laugh at him 100 times. So, can you tell me na ịtọ mmadụ awụrụkwa na nnukwu ife, a prestigious something that Okwuluora must have to show proof for people to know that na GLE anọ nya gorie, no jere America eziokwu, no golo ana na Lekki eziokwu. Ọwụrụ na ezigbo ife nke na ndị mmadụ na-asị anyị na ọwụ na J Park onye aka o meru na mmasị na o meru ha nya ịtọrọ mmadụ wee ezigbo ife ka ọwụ. It is something you are going to have pride in. It is something that everybody is even or anybody is even praying for. You can't even wish your enemy or go through that danger, because ụfọdụ that survive trauma after happened. Ụfọdụ trauma na ahụ ntụ ha for a long time. Ka ị malụ na ife anyị na-ekwu, join your hands whether ni wonye newi ni meriwa with ifunu neme. I am meant to believe strongly even the mmadụ na-ekwu na this guy say nọcha na ụmụ village na ndị village ahụ collaborate with them na ha na work in partner na ndị ahụ welcome ha nye ha a place ebe ha nọ. I am meant to believe that they cannot stay comfortably in a village without being in with the members of that community. That is why you are trying to cover evil. Ega only for joy, Ega only for daso, nefa daso. Ega only sana, nefa unsana. That is what we are doing here on Facebook. Ayada joy no, na mother can go by a joy no. We will tell you the truth. When any part of that is to do safe, but on will do with the trap. I am a gasibina and them all that and a big human. But when we say Anambra State is not safe, do you want the Anambra State to come and tell you why you just put Anambra State that was safe? Now move on your rift, or even a man or rift. The man he will. Or now move on your ketiti, or even a man or ketiti. The man he will. But you suppose the man Anambra is Anambra. And as far as yes no ketiti disappear, or we will see an incident in no ketiti. Share this video. From then I says goes here. I understand your concern. But ọnwụ na ntị a na-agwa anụ họ ọnụ na-ekwu anyị ekwudebe ka hapụ ya ebe a. Gwanụ ndị ụmụaka that Okwuluora ndị Igbo has decided that is going to apologize to them, but they have to do mass return to ụmụaka, where all of them will ha burukwa moto ha ntụ Okwuluora si wee buru moto ewe bịa ahụ ha buru moto ha bịa n'igwe ka eje na be Chinechere m ha elu ebe ahụ baa na live broadcast Okwuluora emerụ ha apology ebe ọ na be ha awụ ọnụ ụzọ eluigwe be ha awụ enigwe be ha awụ ana nsọ. Share this video.